I'm here today to share with you a recipe of what to do with all of the zucchini that Ruby grows in her garden. And if I'm laughing, it's because Emily is making faces on the other side of the camera, and I feel like she should be giving credit where credit is due. Now she's winking at me. So, zucchini. Denise and Ruby and the Nelsons and Lee and Kirk are growing lots and lots of zucchini.
And
Rose. What should you do with it? I will give you a recipe. It's my recipe. It's really simple. We eat it 2 or 3 times a week. I like it a lot. Like I said, it's really simple. Here's your zucchini. What we're going to do is we're going to cut the zucchini. Cut potatoes. I have 2 potatoes, 2 zucchini, 2.5 zucchini, and looks like 3/4 of a sweet onion. And this will feed 3 to 4 people dinner. It'll be our side for dinner tonight. So we're gonna cut the zucchini, and I cut up the top and the bottom. Cut it in half. Cut it in half. Hope Emily's getting this. And then, I think it's about a 1/2 inch. You want it big enough that it doesn't fall apart in your, like this. So it doesn't fall apart when it's when you're sauteing it, or I'm gonna cook it on a grill. And I do that for both zucchinis. Okay, once you have your zucchini cut and put in a bowl, cut your potato. I've already cut one. This is the second one, kind of almost the same way as you do the zucchini. Wash it, cut it in half. Depending on the size of the potato, you want similar sized pieces as your zucchini. So I have got
potatoes this big. And again, if you have lots of zucchini, then you do more zucchini than potato. If you don't, you do more potato than zucchini. Put it in a bowl. And lastly, you take your onion and you just want some onion slices. And so you're going to cut it this way. Throw it in the bowl.
like this size. Because what I'm going to do is I'm going to grill it, and you want them to be big enough that they don't turn into mush before you're done. And so you see here we have our zucchini, we have our potatoes, we have our onions. That's it. We take this, we add olive oil, kind of liberal with the olive oil, and then salt and pepper. And salt and pepper to taste. I like it with a little bit more of both. I like a lot of pepper, I like a lot of salt. Denise doesn't like any pepper, it's too spicy.
She's a wimp.
And I didn't say that was your favorite niece. And then salt. I think it cooks really well with extra salt.
And then you want to toss it and get that all spread around with the olive oil and the salt. And if you have yellow squash, this works good. A lot of vegetables, okra, peppers, anything out of Denise's garden, this is a great recipe for.
I use my roasting pan that comes with your oven. I spray it with Pam because I don't like doing dishes.
He's not the only one.
Spray it with Pam. Are you watching this, Emily?
Mm-hmm.
And we'll show you the next part when it's time. All right, now we are outside at the grill, and I have let it warm up a little bit. And I like to put the roaster pan on the grill first so that it gives a little sizzle when I add my vegetables to it. So here is the roaster pan. You can see it smoking just a little bit. Don't let it stay on too long or it won't sizzle, it'll burn. And then you just dump it in. You dump it on your skillet like that, give it a little shake so it doesn't stick. And leave it be for about 10 minutes. All right, so it's been about 10 minutes. And you can hear the vegetables sizzling really good. I grab my tongs. And because I use the Pam, it doesn't stick. Just do a quick stir up and shake around and get all the flavors mixed well. Maybe give it a spin if you want. In about 10 minutes, it's going to be done. Oh, see the nice brown edges? That is perfect. Give it a little shake. Take it off the grill. And I'm just gonna set it aside until it's time for dinner. And that's how you cook Denise's zucchini. Bye.